Hi guys, my name is Ginger. I'm 12 years old and I live in Balik-Balik. I'm staying with my family and tonight I have a story to tell. I was 10 years old when my boyfriend asked me to go out. My mom did not allow me to go out, so one night my boyfriend asked me if he can drive me somewhere where our parents cannot see us. So I gave in, and we went out. I saw that we were passing Epifanio de los Santos Avenue, popularly known as EDSA. Somebody's phone is ringing. Oh my God, she's disturbing me. And so we went to Sogo Hotel.
10 years old.
So when we arrived in Sogo Hotel, we were not allowed to check in because we were too young. So we went to Recto. And then when I went to Recto with my boyfriend, when my boyfriend went to Recto with me, is that the same? Oh my God, it's the same. We tried to check into nice hotel, but we were denied as well. So we transferred to Aliw Inn.
Saan yun?
Now, I'm pregnant. Well, this is just a message that should go out to all of you, young boys and girls, to be responsible with everything that you do.
May nabubuntis bang 10 years old?
This is just a joke. And this story is baseless. I just wanna cry because my daddy here is listening to me tonight. Hi, Dad. Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi, hello.
Hi. Dad, I have something to tell.
I'm listening.
I'm pregnant.
What?
I'm pregnant, Dad.
How many months?
13?
Okay.
Oh my God, it seems that my dad is not surprised at all. Look at my uncle. Hi, Uncle. La 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 la. Okay, so, we're going to, hi. These are my friends. Yes, mga ninong sila ng anak ko. And this is my boyfriend.
Babae.
Ayan, so, sandali.
Wala na akong masabi.